Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling picanha on the rotisserie on the Arteflame. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the Arteflame, and here's how we do that. So we want to fill up a chimney starter with some good charcoal. We're using quebracho charcoal. You want to light it on fire, and when you have a good fire going, you want to dump it into the Arteflame. Then we're going to add a little bit more charcoal to create a nice ember bed. And then we're going to add a couple of kindlings of mesquite to add flavor. The Arteflame is starting to heat up, so now it's time to season and trim the picanha. So we got a beautiful picanha steak here, Argentinian Angus beef from Devesa. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to slice it into good solid steaks, and you want to slice it with the grain. You want to make sure that you keep the fat cap on. You might trim off some parts so it's even. Then we're going to season all the steak lightly first with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost as our foundational rub. And then we're going to add a second layer with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. Now we want to let this sit for about 30 minutes. In order to make it easier to skewer, use a serving fork to pick holes beforehand. We're gonna skewer all the steaks, and then we're gonna add them to the Arteflame grill. And now we wanna slowly rotisserie cook these until they reach an inner temperature of about 125 degrees. We wanna remove them from the skewer and let them sit with a little bit of butter. We're gonna lower the grate on the Arteflame. Then we wanna quickly sear the steaks on both sides. When they're ready, remove them from the grill and let them rest for a couple of minutes. Now we want to slice these up against the grain, and look at that. That is picanha perfection. And that is how I make rotisserie picanha on the Arteflame. So I guess the only thing left to do is to try this, and look at that. Perfect medium rare. You got a beautiful fat cap. Oh, it smells so good from the mesquite. So here we go. Yeah. The meat perfectly seasoned. You get that extra layer of fat that just adds so much punch to this. This is so good. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Come on.